And Dr. APJ Kalam famously said in his poem, "Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture none can beat." Namaste, my name is Riyan Srivastav. I am from grade 7A from Vibhya Roots and Rise, Kalyan. Land of sages? Yes, that's our motherland, Bharat. Uncountable number of religious gurus, preachers, and saints have blessed our pious country with the immense knowledge and philosophies. These teachings have carved the way to enlighten our social consciousness and cultural values. Now, let's discuss some of them. The Saptarishis. The Saptarishis are the seven ancient sages who signify eternal wisdom and righteousness. These were Guru Atri, Jamadagani, Kashyapa, Bharadwaja, Vashishta, and Vishwamitra. Their teachings were based on self-realization, discipline, truth, and compassion. They were also considered a transmitter of Vedic knowledge like yoga and Ayurveda. The Saptarishi constellation or the Ursa Major has been guiding travelers for many years now. Now, let's move on to the next big saint, Ved Vyas, one of the most revered figures in Hinduism, not only as a saint but also as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu himself, whose name itself means the one who has classified the Vedas. He has done the work of preserving and organizing the Vedic knowledge for the future generation. Now, let's move on to the next big saint, Valmiki. Valmiki is also known as Adi Kavi or the first poet. He is the author of the greatest epic, Ramayana. His life is a perfect example of power of redemption as he became a saint from a sinner. He teaches us that to choose the correct path, there is no right time. Through his Ramayana, he teaches us family values, morals, and above all, made us believe good will always triumph over evil. The teachings of these gurus have made a huge mark in our life. The Bhagavad Gita, Puranas, Mahabharata, and many other books are not just mere books, they are the guide to living a righteous and fulfilling life. We Indians are always known to be as givers. We gave the world the Bhagavad Gita, the yoga, Ayurveda, and meditation. We give respect to others and respect all religions and culture equally. These teachings of these great gurus have made us empathetic, forgiving, and compassionate, and also made us more vibrant and ancient blend of tradition, cultures, and language. I would like to end my point by giving respect to these gurus. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you.